Bro, the girl with the sing song, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this twist, this beautiful luscious twist. As you can see, this is what the back of my hair looks like. And yeah, get a mulch because this hairstyle is going to take a minute. So guys, I've done 1.5 section of my hair and I'm left with this top section. And the first thing I'm going to do is apply my virgin hair fertilizer. This promotes hair growth, especially for my edges. I'm just going to rub that in there and also put it on the body of my hair and massage it into the hair. This also gives my hair the shine that it needs. Next, I'm using the Anjaki's Quench Leave-In Conditioner. This is going to make my hair softer and easy to twist and also strengthen my hair while it's in this protective style. Next, I'm using a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and as you can see, I'm combing my hair from the ends to the main part of the hair, to the top of the hair. This is the best way to use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. Next, I'm taking a tail comb to create a line for my hair. This will help to avoid frizz and keep your hair neat. I'm pinning that to the side. Next, I'm using the Eco Styler gel. This is a flaxseed and black castor oil one, and I'm rubbing on my hair from roots to ends. This just makes my twist look more defined, especially at the ends. So the first thing you want to do is divide your hair into 2 equal parts and just twist it around each other tightly. Not too tight that it's, stopping the blood circulation on your head, but tight enough so it doesn't look puffy and rough. I'll show you guys a closer version, but basically I'm just twisting the hair around itself. Practice makes perfect. When I get to the ends, I add more gel. And I just twirl it like so. Look at that. Shrinkage is not cool at all. Look at how the twist looks, so defined and so juicy. The white thing on my hair is going to go. It's going to all absorb into my hair. I'm just creating another line. Dividing that part into 2 equal parts, and as you can see, I'm just twisting it around itself, and I'm making sure that the 2 parts, I'm twisting them and also twisting them together. I don't know if you understand, but you can see in the illustration, twirling the ends. And yes guys, at the top part of my hair I did flat twist so that the style will be one-sided. I didn't want it to be single there, so I'm going to show you guys how I did the flat twist in front. I was taking my tail comb, creating a neat part. I'm going to divide that into 2, but first I'm putting gel on my edges. It's still the Eco Styler one, so that the style will look smooth. And yes, let's get to the twisting. It's like doing cornrows, but instead of dividing it into 3, you're dividing it into 2. Like so. Trying to get the other hair out of the way, and yeah, just twisting. Last but not the least, you can see that it's flat. I'm putting Eco Styler gel on the hair as well, rubbing it from roots to ends, and I'm twisting. Divide it into two. And just twisting it downwards. I plan to carry this hair for 2 weeks, guys. I can co-wash it, I can deep condition it as is. You can do anything you want to do to it. If it's rough, you just retwist it. That's it, guys. I'm so happy I'm done. It took me about 3 hours plus, and yeah, victory at last. Look how shiny they look. I just put this gold hair accessory on my hair to give it a little something something. And then for style, I'm just pinning one side. And that's it, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.